Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase brand loyalty with Starbucks, complete guide step by step clearly. To increase brand loyalty with Starbucks, start by understanding their brand values. Recognize that Starbucks emphasizes community, sustainability, and quality. Introduce a loyalty program that rewards customers for repeat purchases. Ensure the program is easily accessible through a mobile app or website. Offer exclusive deals or products to loyalty program members. Create personalized experiences by collecting data on customer preferences. Utilize this data to send targeted promotions that resonate with individual customers. Engage with customers through social media platforms regularly. Showcase user-generated content to build a sense of community. Host local events that connect customers with each other and the brand. Provide exceptional customer service at every point of interaction. Train employees to embody the brand values in their interactions. Encourage customers to provide feedback on their experiences. Actively respond to feedback to show customers their opinions matter. Release limited-time offers or seasonal items to create excitement. Use storytelling in marketing campaigns to connect emotionally with customers. Highlight sustainable sourcing and ethical practices in marketing materials. Communicate the impact of customer purchases on communities and the environment. Foster a culture of inclusivity by promoting diverse voices and stories. Create partnerships with local businesses to strengthen community ties. Utilize email marketing to keep customers informed about promotions and events. Monitor customer engagement and adjust strategies based on data insights. Develop a brand ambassador program to empower loyal customers to promote the brand. Encourage customers to share their Starbucks experiences online. Create memorable in-store experiences that are consistent with brand values. Regularly assess the effectiveness of brand loyalty strategies for continuous improvement. By following these steps, your brand can nurture a loyal customer base inspired by the success of Starbucks. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.